this all the stuff in the supermarket which we went already, and let's see what's inside. Wobbly tone. I don't know what is this, but we will put it here. Heavy stuff, which are perfume. And then I'm going to open inside. It's rose smell. And this is my sister's toy, squishies. Okay, then it's you have, this is a game of the bad dog. If you walk him, he will bite. So let's go and play. And the last one, we got a purse and this is an apron and a slippers. It's a slippers which you can walk. Okay, and it's done. Then let's play.
Sit here with me. Me and Kuya only, okay? Because
this is the Bakugo. So guys, this is my Bakugan toy. It says here Bakugan Brawl. See, it's a lion and his name is Hydras. It forms into a ball. See? And then it forms back. Now my sisters.
so we're going to play this, guys, and look, this is my slippers. Elsa. So let's start. Hey, come here. Help me open this. Hard to open. Scissors or something. There's a scissors. Up, up, up.
These are, let's see the instructions. Oh,
We already know how to build it. Look at these mini soldiers, guys.
here we
So
go.
cute. And we have a dice too. Woo! There are different colors. It's a big one too. I know how to do this. So I know how to build it. Well, I know how to build it.
Okay, it's like this.
No, it's not. It's like, just oh, yeah. This is the end of the top. Okay, I know how to build this. Guys, I'm going to connect the pieces.
There.
How do you? Now my brother will hold in the down part, and I will put this mini soldiers, and this dice have color. Then if I landed to blue, then I have to get that carefully, and it should not fall. But so I will put them now. Stay still. Hey, you're not staying still. Stay still.
Okay. I'm trying.
Leave it, Kuya. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. So guys, I will show you my squishy. This panda and this elephant. And can stick. He likes the panda one. I like this cute one. I like the panda too one. You forgot missing one.
Panda.
You're missing one. Now I'm gonna open this bad dog.
Bad dog.
Make sure you're not gonna be afraid for sticks.
I will name him Spike.
The battery. Here. See another one? Okay.
So, this is the dog.
Yeah. Can go. If you have a blank one, then you just skip a turn.
I know this. You have to choose.
No, I already mixed them.
You have to choose the color.
Don't mix it again. Because I already mixed them. With the bones.
I didn't change.
See,
No.
look. I will show you.
Don't.
If you have a blank like this,
I know.
then you need to skip a
I
turn.
know. I played that.
You're going first. You're going to go first.
Yep.
Me too. I'm the second one.
Guys, the dog is sleeping. Okay, where is this?
Faster, Kuya. Now my turn. Blank. Your turn, Kuya.
I got three.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
No more. Nothing, guys, so I don't do anything. My turn. Two blues. Take it. I'm not gonna do it. I always do.
Use the tongs.